How to fix the media keep stopping error in ThinkPhone 25. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and scroll down in last and click on system and then click on reset options. Now here you can see the option reset app preferences. Now click on it and then click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, then go back and check your system updates. Now click on system updates and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. Now go back and open system again, reset option. In last you can see the option erase all data factory reset. Now click on it and then click on erase all data. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.